we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Microwave using metal or foil. The metal could also cause arcing in the oven. Microwave convection ovens can use metal and foil safely during the convection cooking. Metal, aluminum foil, can be safely used in a microwave, but certain guidelines must be followed to prevent damage to the oven.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.